Save on gas money with these tips. While these older cars aren't as fuel efficient as newer models, there are ways you can save money at the gas pump. One of the most important things you can do to an old car to keep it running at maximum efficiency is to keep up with its maintenance. Tune up the engine. This involves changing the air filter, spark plugs, and oxygen sensor. On average, air filters need changing every 15,000 miles, spark plugs every 30,000, and 50,000 for a NO2 sensor. Corroded terminals make the car use more fuel to keep your battery charged. Practice fuel-saving driving. Other aggressive driving habits like constantly accelerating and braking can drop your MPG by as much as 40%. You can raise your average MPG by 1 to 2% for every 100 pounds you remove from your vehicle. Another way to save on gas money is by planning out where you need to go ahead of time. This way, you can plan the most efficient route and avoid unnecessary driving that only wastes gas. Avoid driving during times of days with heavy traffic, so you don't idle away gas while at a standstill. If you can drive partway to your destination, then use public transportation. It not only saves you money but is better for the environment. Save money at the pump with these tips. While having your parents' old car is better than not having one at all, make it more efficient by trying these tips and tricks. You'll learn driving techniques that will help to improve your MPG until you can get a new car of your own.